Hello everyone. So today, whoever is watching this video is going to get a very interesting information about education. So let me tell you what is the meaning of ideal education system. Ideal education system is something which makes our children grow academically. This is one part. But to make them future ready is also very, very important. What do you mean by making the children future ready? Just compare, जब हम बच्चे थे, the world around us and हमारे बच्चे, the world around them is very different. Yes or no? Because the world has changed drastically in the last 10 to 15 years. There is a lot of competition happening all around. The children have got many facilities and many things being around them. One thing is internet, another thing is artificial intelligence, another thing is the facilities and the exploration of the world they are getting around them. Time is changing drastically. Our children need to get all the exploration and the answers of all the questions they have in their hearts. Coming to Shraddha Olympiad School, I'll share a few details about the changes we are trying to bring in our next academic year to make sure that our children are becoming future ready. There are many developments happening in Shraddha Olympiad School. One of the things is language development. We all know that English is the big business language. We all need to learn English the most. But the language around us is not English. People around us do not speak English day in and day out. English is the second language of Indians. But how do we make sure that we communicate nicely? We get English exploration. We at Shraddha Olympiad School are introducing a special English speaking program for all our students from grade 1 to grade 10. Next development is to make sure our children are happy. They are happy learning. So what about that? We are introducing a subject called emotional well-being. This subject will make sure that our children grow emotionally as well. Emotional development is very important to understand how a human thinks. If I am angry, what do I do? If somebody else in front of me is angry, what do I do? If I am feeling happy, how do I express my emotions? How do I limit my emotions? How to behave when and where? This all things are covered in emotional well-being subject. Next subject we are introducing is financial literacy. Now what is the meaning of financial literacy? Finance and literacy. Literacy means to know about something. So financial literacy is going to make our children know about money, management of money. We all keep on dealing in money day in and day out, be it children or be it adults. So why not understand money long before we become adults, when we are children? So we are going to make sure that our students from grade 3 to 9 learn about financial literacy. What about hobbies? Our children have many hobbies, and it will be very good if we can convert the hobbies into passion, the hobbies into learning. So we are introducing creative cohorts in our school. Now creative cohorts means the groups we are going to form. All our children will be part of one group. We are going to make 10 different groups in our school. These 10 groups will be based on the subjects, on the learnings, on the activities and on sports as well. So the child will decide which cohort, which group they want to be a part of. And in those groups, they will be able to learn high-level skills and get more exposure towards their interest. They will be able to explore their passion. So weekly sessions on this will help them grow into their hobbies and try to make their hobbies into their passion, into their career, possibly in the future. And the future now belongs to artificial intelligence. So we are introducing artificial intelligence as a subject from grade 1 to grade 9. The students at Shraddha Olympiad School will be learning coding, Java, Python and writing programs. They'll be learning computer languages and they'll be becoming future ready, learning the languages of computer. What I have told is just a gist of what we have planned for the upcoming academic year at Shraddha Olympiad School. Visit our school and find out all the details of the plans and make your children future ready.